What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. Y'all y'all if y'all watched my last video, let me get the lighting right so y'all can see the kid. There we go. So if y'all watched my last video, y'all seen that I was saying like the way I'm gonna be dropping these, by the time that first video dropped, then that means that the car's already running, you know what I'm saying? But this is really the second video, so let me show y'all the update and parts. Man, look, y'all, we finna go crazy. So look what I did. Yep, that's my best friend. Yep, Bay is in there. I got it on this because y'all know like it's gonna hang back if I don't have the jack under there. So yeah, that's how we looking. She looks good, y'all. Man, she looks real good. And by the way, the mounts that I got them from eBay. So I used the F-body pan, oil pan. Look how much room I got. That's how much room I got. So really I can slide it forward if I want to. That's probably what I'm gonna do depending on how that bell housing fit on the back. But let's show y'all the parts, man. Basically the unpackaging. I don't know if I'm going with this yet, depending on if I get a hood or not. Already, look at this. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I got everything out. It took a little minute, but people that just follow me that haven't seen the inside of this John, you know, back seat deletes is a little dirty though. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Okay, so the parts. Running this is a LS4 intake. Got the EV6 injectors, and I also got the adapters that go in there too. A sensor that came out the box on its own. Gonna need the magnet for something. So I got this. Okay. My whole parts bin. You know, just regular wires, of course. I still gotta put these in the heads. Those are my lifters. You know what I'm saying? No valve cover. What's in this? I don't even know what's in here. Oh, my head bolts. So right now I'm just doing stock everything. You know what I'm saying? Until I do my upgrades, my starter bolts. Let's see. Oh, what this is? Oh, this is actually my harmonic balancer bolts. Head gaskets. You know, just the normal, the usual. What this is? Oh, that's my what is this? Oh yeah. So these the connectors I was just telling y'all about. You know what I'm saying? Gotta convert them over. So they'll just click like so. Show y'all how this go. Boom. It better be right. There it go. So yep, just like that. So I think these the EV4. Oh yeah. It's gonna go in here. That's the wire. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You know. So yeah, I got everything now. Oh, the heads. I have ported the heads. Let's see. They actually slick done. I just got to do the intake for the other side. So this side needs to be done. But other than that, the porting is complete. I enlarged the exhaust. All of them. Y'all see this hole is hella huge. That's what the portal for the intake look like. You know, just slight enlargement and going in just a little bit. I already lapped the valves, running that 862 heads because the compression would be higher. So I milled the heads 30 over. I think 30 over is the right terminology. But yeah, man, you know, I got my intake thing right here. I got 2 of them. But like I said, 9 times out of 10, I'm not running this because I don't feel like looking for no hood. You know, it got my springs and all the rest of the miscellaneous things that I'll probably need. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm actually, what the world? So right now, actually, I got the car jacked up. I'm about to, oh, the last part, y'all, I'm tweaking. So I got everything for the motor. The last part is the fuel pump. So I was gonna run it outside the tank. I think I got a 3-year warranty on this. I'm not sure. But yeah, this the fuel pump. It's a direct fit too. I'll probably put the link in the description. Yeah. So I'm actually finna drop the tank, drop the rear end. I'm gonna put the fuel pump in. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna leave the rear end out until I get the car started because, yeah, I don't want no miscellaneous, nothing crazy happening. You feel me? When I put all this stuff up. So that's really like the update. That's really the update with everything. I'm finna film like a whole video of me really dropping the tank in the rear end. I mean, yeah, that'll be crazy. So that's really like the update. The motor is in. Honestly, bro, I'll probably go and put my lifters in, going to spray this down, you know, just to have everything prepped up. But yeah, man, for my new subscribers, you know, that's what I'm building, a 83 Camaro Z28. Let me show it one more again. Ooh. LS swap. She will be boosted. Y'all tune in for what I'm gonna use. I already been looking. I'm probably gonna go with some 19s. I think these some 17s. Might do some 19s. But yeah, y'all, that's the update. That's the build. I'm really excited. Yeah, I mean, once I start on the motor, hold on, let me get the light. There we go. Once I start on the motor, that's what I'm actually film. Me putting the heads on, me basically assembling the whole motor, just like putting everything on there. I don't think them headers gonna clear. So yeah, that's it really. I mean, until next time when I get the trans and stuff, I'm probably gonna film that too. Me putting the trans in, me putting the clutch in, me doing like all that stuff. But just the little small stuff, like I got to do this, take these out, because as y'all see, it's man, I wasn't finna go through all that. So I have bought some new ones. Take this out, you know, put the clamps on here and run it, you know, when I get everything done. That's just a little baby stuff, man. Till next time, if y'all like the video, if y'all like the update, if y'all really messing with the build, man, drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Oh, let me know what y'all want to see. But y'all know this is the drift car, so I'm going crazy. You feel me? So yeah, man, till next time, y'all subscribe, y'all share, and if y'all ain't subscribed, y'all gotta subscribe and add my Instagram, because I be posting a lot of stuff. Like, Instagram really be knowing beforehand, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, till next time, I'm out.